I'm going to show you how to make a particularly tasty burger with the ingredients enclosed in a burger bun and baked in the oven. Start by preparing the bun dough. Combine 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1 cup of lukewarm milk. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix and let it rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime, in a mixing bowl, put 2 cups and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of salt. Mix. Once the yeast has formed, add it to the flour. Also add 1 egg and mix with a spatula to form a ball. Cover it and let rest for 10 minutes. To make the burger sauce, finely chop 1 small garlic clove in a bowl. Combine 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, and the minced garlic. Mix well, and the sauce is ready. After 10 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and knead for 3 minutes. Let rest, covered, in this oil bowl for 45 minutes. Prepare the patties. In a bowl, combine 1 pound of ground beef, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix well and divide into 4 portions. To form the patties, oil the board. Also a 4-inch diameter round mold and a spatula. Shape each portion. Slice 2 small onions, 1 large pickle. Over medium heat, grind both sides of smoked bacon slices and set them aside. In the same pan, still over medium heat, add a half tablespoon of vegetable oil and the onions. Add a pinch of salt. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. Once they are lightly grilled, set them aside. Heat the pan on high heat. When it starts to smoke, sear the patties for 30 seconds on each side. This quick cooking method provides a grilled flavor. The meat will continue to cook gently in the oven afterward. Remove them from the pan to stop the cooking process. The dough has risen. Place it on the board. Press to release the gases and divide it into 4 equal parts. Shape them into balls. Sprinkle flour into a bowl to help form the burger buns. Take 1 portion of dough, round it out into about 6 inches in diameter, leaving the center a bit thicker. Place it in a bowl. Then layer a slice of cheddar cheese, a patty, 1 tablespoon of burger sauce, some onions, a slice of bacon cut in half, 2 slices of pickle, and another slice of cheddar. Close the burger by folding the dough over the ingredients, pinching the edges to seal everything inside. Turn the bowl over to take out the burger and place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Let rest for 20 minutes to allow the dough to rise slightly, which will result in a soft bun. To glaze the burger buns, mix 1 egg yolk with half tablespoon of water. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 350 degrees, using only the bottom heat. Just before baking, brush the glaze over the buns and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake them for 18 minutes. Take them out and let them rest for 10 minutes before eating. Otherwise, you might burn yourself. Enjoy your burger by biting into it without cutting it in half. It's much better that way. Here, I show you the inside. All the juices are preserved, including those from the patty.
Ils sont trop beaux.
C'est lourd.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
The burger bun is delicious, with all the flavors mixing together. The freshly baked bun is soft and has an appetizing smell. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.